Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. How many of you enjoyed this rice pudding that we get it in the store, in the freeze section? I really liked it. So I tried doing this rice pudding or rice kheer recipe in Instapot. I have couple of magic ingredients that makes the kheer or pudding really yummy. And making it in Instapot, it's simple and easy. So let's get started and let's see how to make this yummy, delicious rice pudding or rice kheer. Alright, so I've soaked this basmati rice overnight. First I washed it and then soaked it overnight. So after draining water from the rice, I have added 1 tablespoon of ghee and couple cloves and couple of cinnamon sticks. I'll saute the rice before cooking it. I have my water boiling in Instapot, so I have half water and half whole milk. Okay, so my Instapot is on keep warm mode actually, or you can add it on saute mode or soup mode. And I've added the roasted rice with cloves and cinnamon. I'm letting it boil for some time so that the rice is cooked well. Okay, so while my rice is cooking in the Instapot, I have saved some rice, about like 4 tablespoons, and soaked almonds and soaked cashews in the mixie jar. So I'm going to basically, once the cashews are soaked for 15 minutes or so, I'm going to add this rice and then make a thick paste. Alright, so it's about 10 minutes and my rice is cooking perfectly. And I just keep stirring in between. In the meantime, I have done cashew and rice paste. I've also added soaked almonds. So this is the paste to thicken the kheer paste in it. Now I'm going to saute it again. And I'm going to also add more hot milk because this is already thick enough, because we are also adding condensed milk with sugar later. I'm going to add a can of condensed milk. This is sweetened condensed milk, so just to thicken up the kheer and of course for that beautiful flavor. And based off that, I'm going to taste it and then see if I need any sugar because I have a bigger quantity today. Okay, so this is half a cup of sugar. I have added like around 2.5 cups of rice, but this is a bigger quantity, so I'm adding more sugar. Otherwise, that 1 can of condensed milk was enough. So let it melt. Let's cook it. Keep stirring in between. And also one tip here is sugar or any sweetening agent we are adding, that is after the rice is cooked in milk or water. Alright, so now that my rice kheer or pudding is almost ready, I'm going to enhance the flavors with some rose water, saffron, cardamom powder and nutmeg powder. You will see the rice is cooked like when it's mushy like this. Here you go. So I've added about 1.5 tablespoon of rose water in this big of a quantity, and a pinch of nutmeg powder, cardamom powder and saffron. Let's keep stirring, because make sure it doesn't stick at the bottom while boiling. So it's changing its color to creamish yellow with the saffron, nutmeg powder and some condensed milk. Alright, so this last step is purely optional, but you can add some crunch in it. So I have soaked almonds. These are soaked overnight almonds. I'm going to remove the cover and then chop it. Of course, some cashews and some pistachios. Alright, so our rice pudding, rice kheer is ready, set, go. I hope you like this recipe. Alright, so I turn off the Instapot and garnish this with some saffron and dry fruits. This is purely optional, but this enhances the taste and you get some crunch in it. So I hope you like this recipe, rice pudding, rice kheer recipe. Enjoy while it's hot or cold. Actually, I prefer it cold, so I'll keep some in the refrigerator and enjoy it in the evening. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching and thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.